Okay, Mr. Fajar. So now, this is the second training for you about the torque converter, valve body, and the fluid cycle for automatic transmission. Okay, so now we talk about first the torque converter. So what is torque converter? Okay. So what is the parts inside the torque converter? Okay. So now, how torque converter it works?
fast at the same speed. When the speed is high, the reactor will start to rotate. If you accelerate the vehicle, if you increase the speed, the reactor will start to rotate. And the same function with the engine is rotating low in the high, but in the low RPM, it's in idling. Turbine rotates slowly in the 90 degree. In the high RPM, in the turbine and the reactor rotate, but it's functioning the same.
Okay. So, what is the symptoms of the bad torque converter?
When conductor, the system is the delay engaging, the gear change high RPM, and the smell not, engine oil smell not good, and it can be not good.
Okay, so what you have understand about the torque converter?
About in the video, I should promote that video. And from the video, I understand the converter, how it's work, what is the parts, and how it's functioning, and what's the process damage, the part, if the converter damage, what's the process, the transmission inside, and how we can check the converter, that it's good or not before repairing. After repairing, how to check. How to check the converter in the vehicle before you repair, and what is the system, what is the symptom of the converter, and how you solve the problem if the converter is failing.
Okay, so thank you. So now we go to another parts about the valve body. So what is valve body?
When we reach the brain, it's like a brain in the transmission.
Okay. So what is the parts of the valve body?
Well, body we have, very first we have well body electronic, it's like electronic, light, hydraulic well, bolt, separator plate, and the well body also.
Okay. So how it works?
It's work by the electronic, it's controlled by PCM and the electronic. It's work, it's work by electronic, it's work by solenoid and the hydraulic valve and by the oil.
Okay, so
For example, if you this function, if say it function, the regular function by the regular function by the electronic, according to the ratio, the engine speed, and the solenoid open close valve, and the solenoid used to open and close the hydraulic valve in the gear change in the
okay, so what is the symptoms of the bad valve body?
in the valve body, we can check delay engage, the less response, hard shifting, getting the high RPM, noise, block, filter block. If you filter is blocked, you can change the gear. It's difficult to change gear. Not a smooth driving.
Okay, so what you have understand about the valve body?
I understand about the body in the video, how the wheel body works, what is the purpose of the valve body, what is the function inside the valve body, and how the oil go to the transmission by the valve body, by operating the valve body and the solenoids, how the hydraulic valves open and close when the engine top up, top is increased in the degree, how it's work, how it's pressure, and we understand about how the gauge will engage in the automatic transmission.
Okay, so now we go in the third part. So can you draw the fluid cycle for the automatic transmission?
I think this is the diagram for the
Oh,
cycle.
okay.
The cycle, in the one time, the oil will go to the filter, will go to the pump, and he returns from the pump to the well body. But in the pump, the well body is come in high pressure. and the well body gives the fuel to the transmission, not the fuel, inside the transmission to the is given to the two moving points, moving parts, and at the same time let's go to the converter. Go to the converter. Go to the converter. Converter. After converter is going function, we go inside the converter. We know the function, and we come to after they move everything across. We go this go from the converter. Let's go to the cooler. To use the heat to cool the oil. After the cooler, it's come again to the pipe.
Okay.
Use the circulation of the fuel cycle in the last.
Okay. Okay, so thank you. Iris the arrow. Iris.
Arrow.